Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of our channel. In this episode we'll go through how to create an account on eToro, which is one of the most famous social trading and investment networks. Right, so let's get started together. We first log in to the home page. Click on Join Now. And it's gonna directly take us to this page in which you have to fill your personal information. First name, last name, and username, your email address, which is the one that you're gonna use to log in to your account. Password. Try as hard as possible to use a strong password in which you can use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Right. Use your phone number because these contacts are going to be verified through the company. And accept the terms and conditions. Also, you also have the option to log in or to create an account through Facebook or Google accounts. I normally don't recommend, and I don't do it myself. I don't connect my social accounts to my professional ones, but that's up to you whether you want to do this or not. That's absolutely fine, but for me, I'm going to create it manually using my email and contacts. Right, and then type create account, and you can save your password for later use. And that's gonna take you to the opening page of your eToro account. There you go. Now, that easy, you already have an account on eToro. In the next video, we're gonna go through the interface, what you can see on your front page, and how to access more information. But that's it for now. Enjoy your day and have a good experience trading with eToro. Thank you, everybody.